Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I have a tire comparison video, pretty much to show you the size difference between a 39-inch BFG KM3 and a 40-inch Toyo Open Country MT tire. These 40-inch tires do look a lot bigger on screen. Make sure to like and subscribe, add your comments, and let me know which tire you like the best. To start off, I decided to make this video because I searched and could not find any videos comparing these two tire brands and sizes. Now, my initial plan for this project was to install the Toyo 40s, and because of the COVID problem, I couldn't find a supplier that had them in stock. So we went with the next best thing, the 39 BFG KM3s. Both tires are the same width, 13.5 by 17, and mounted on Method's MR315s. If you're looking for the wheel size, they are 17 by 9 with a -12 offset. Now we all know that these tires aren't true to size, and the BFGs are smaller when compared to a same size Toyo. Another thing to keep in mind is the weight and the tread size difference. When comparing road noise between both tires, they're pretty much the same, and surprisingly, I think very minimal noise compared to other brands. Last year, I decided to purchase a set of the 40-inch Toyos as I originally planned, and well, more room was made to clear the bigger tires. Here you can see the 40-inch Toyo already installed and the 39-inch BFG beside it. You can still see how much bigger the Toyo is even with the truck weight on it. So, between the two tire brands, I currently prefer the Toyos because of their overall performance. Let me know what other tire brands you can recommend. I've had the Toyos on for about 5 months now and have no complaints. I think the larger tires give the truck an overall better and more aggressive look. I'll make sure to provide the wheel and both tire brands information below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next. I'm out.